My name's Josh Oakley, and I work in an investment management function for the Web3 Foundation. So by trade, I'm an investor, and I'm helping the foundation manage its endowment. So the capital that was raised to fund the Polkadot project, but also to help fund the ecosystem and the growth of the ecosystem more widely. I will be sort of stewarding that before it's committed to the various different projects. So that's kind of my function. More broadly, the foundation was envisaged to take responsibility for the evolution of the Web3 vision, so a vision for a decentralized internet. We do that through a number of ways. So we most importantly for us is the sense of community. So we try to foster collaboration through workshops, initiatives. Recently we've had a workshop on immediate scaling solutions, and we published a lot of some content on that for people to read.
That's great, because it's so needed. It's so timely.
Yeah, there are a lot of projects that are ready to launch on the mainnet, but it's not really feasible at the moment. So we're trying to be a useful resource in that sense. We also think that education is something that needs to be promoted throughout the space as well. So we are also building an in-house research team to address some of the kind of core problems that we all face. So hopefully that will be mutually beneficial to the community as well.
And how would you compare your background? I imagine it was in finance or something.
Yes, yeah.
So how would you compare the standard finance industry compared to your new role in this newer industry? How would you compare that?
Yeah, that's a great question. I have felt really welcomed into this community,
Great.
which was, in many ways that was actually quite a kind of emotional thing to go through, because I didn't really feel so welcome in what I did before.
Right.
I really enjoyed the work. I enjoyed managing a fund, investing. That's kind of what led me to investing in crypto as well. So there are some. The culture is very different.
Yeah.
So I'm much happier with the culture. I also get to wear jeans and a t-shirt.
Jeans and t-shirt culture.
Yeah, exactly. I'm very pleased to be a part of that now.
Great. And so I told you a little bit about ChronoLogic, what we do with the Ethereum alarm clock, scheduling transactions for the future. Can you think of any use cases related to doing that?
Well, yes, a few really. I think for me personally, in Canton Zug, where I live, I think I can pay my taxes with advanced scheduling of transactions, so I wouldn't have to really worry about that.
So in Switzerland, you might be able to pay your taxes in crypto.
I'm pretty sure we can pay our taxes.
Okay, that's new.
I'm not sure if it's nationally or if it's just in our canton. But they're trying to be very progressive towards and encourage the adoption. So I think things like social security I can pay in crypto as well.
Wow.
I mean, I think other use cases are if you want to make a contribution to somebody's project, but it's on the other side of the world. You don't want to necessarily have to wake up in the middle of the night to subscribe. So it would be nice. Or it's also something I don't want to be distracted about during the day at work. It often takes half an hour out of the day if you're supporting a friend's project or a project you think is promising with capital. I think it'd be nicer just to do it at the beginning of the day, and then you can forget about it.
Right. Set it and forget it.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you for your thoughtful insights on the foundation. How can they learn more about the foundation?
So the best way to learn more about the foundation is to visit our website, web3.foundation, and also we check our Medium channel and join our Twitter handle as well. That's where we try and push out content to the community. We just wrote something on my first post on immediate scaling solutions using a proof of authority network and connecting to the mainnet via a bridge, perhaps Parity or is one example, Grid Plus. So yeah, we've condensed our thoughts in a post. So yeah, check, that'd be a good
That's
place to stop by.
I'm sure people are just really anxious to hear about the support and resources that are available. So that's awesome.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We're here and we're looking. We want to reach out to any projects that we could help in any way. So,
Great.
well, thanks very much for your time, Sean.
Thank you.
Cheers.